Okay, guys, my hubby is washing my car. Wave to the camera, say hi. So what? No, I'm not going live. I'm just making a video. Oh, the front. It's okay. It's not really, you know. It's kind of dark now, though. Oh, I could turn my flash on. There we go. Flash is on. Washing my car today. I vacuum. Say what? Oh, turn it off? Okay. Let me go inside and turn the car off. Oh, and you smell nice. Smell nice, baby. Washing my car, washing my car, washing my car. I miss see them was far. My little car, give thanks for it, cause it take me home, take me to work every day. Yeah, yeah. I mean, I go up on the billboard with that tune, yeah. Big and bad and bold. Eh. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm just trying to make content for my YouTube. Yeah. The other day I wrecked my tire. I had to get a new one. I don't think it's this one though. I think it's the other one. I went too much on the curve and I burst one of my tires. Oh, this one. Yeah. So I had to get a new tire for my car. So I was driving on a donut for like 2 days or less. Yes. My car haven't washed for like 2 weeks or maybe a month. It's overdue. It is overdue to get cleaned up.
So he said, "Are you sure?" And I said, "Yes." Is the car still in the same spot? He never responds.
How much I think I should pay him to wash my car? Should I pay it? Should I pay him to wash my car? I'm gonna cherish this video, so I'm gonna post it on my YouTube. Yes, guys. It's a little dark. The light at the house not giving us any justice, but we're doing our thing. Okay.